Okay, we have. It's called clothes. What does it say? What does yours say, Julie?
It says Santa! Oh my gosh! Santa's coming. I know him.
Okay, yours says. What does yours say, Duty?
Same thing.
You have to do it now. You have, what does it say? Santa!
Santa! Oh my gosh, Santa's coming. I know him. I know him.
And that's from what movie?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
Uh-huh. And I got this, and I was like, Mom, I want that for Christmas.
What'd you get?
Well, it's a cup.
Jealous.
It's a cup.
That stirs your cocoa, so you don't have to stir it with a spoon. And you push a button at the base.
And you take it in the car with you so that the cocoa doesn't stick to
Oh,
it.
interesting.
And it has a lid, so it won't get all over your stupid work bag.
You heard that story too?
I spilled
Oh,
an entire cup of
actually,
milk.